Hey, what's up guys, Falcona here, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing this thing right here. It is the OnePlus Nord AR launch event pass, and it has a QR code inside which you're going to scan and get into the OnePlus Nord AR event. And not gonna lie, it feels pretty premium. It has a matte black finish, good MKB HD vibes, and it also has some kind of slide-in feature. I don't know what is that, but we're gonna be seeing it right now in the unboxing. And it is pretty big. It is as big as my palm, and my palm is pretty big. So let's get right into the unboxing and I'll meet you there. Alright, so this right here is the OnePlus Nord AR event launch ticket, and it has Nord written in here and it feels pretty premium. You can just see it is just matte black finish. And now let's pull it out. So when I pull this thing right here, this way Nord, you can see that this right here comes out. So let's just pull it completely. And it is pretty big. I don't know how to show you, I'll just show it like this. So this is right here, and this is the middle part, and this is what it looks from here. And this is not that great. It's just some paperwork or reading or whatever you say it. So we're just gonna put it back inside if we can. Nope. So let's just try to open this. And this right here, if you open it more, and you can see, there we go, it comes out pretty smoothly. This is the OnePlus Nord thingy, and there's a QR code in there, and there's a QR code in here. So that is actually it, and you can put it back inside. And this thing is also pretty heavy, or I can say it looks good, feels good, looks good. And I think I might blur the QR codes because I don't know if it's very personal or something like that. So that is the whole unboxing experience, guys. Nothing that big. It is pretty small package, but it's a beast inside. OnePlus Nord. I'll meet you guys tomorrow. Alright, so now we're done with the unboxing and hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We are really close to our sub goal of 250 subscribers, and make sure you give a like to the video because it really helps. And I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, peace out.